Okay, we've talked about the ride-along videos, so I want to show you how to access those. If you are a CAT or teacher, you should already have access to Learn Zillion. If you're a paraprofessional, you may need to sign up, but please work with your special education teacher to get access to Learn Zillion. So you would find your account. So I'm clicking on to Learn Zillion. I already have an account, so it's there. So how do we access the ride-along videos? So I'm going to click down, scroll down. I'm going to click ELA instructional videos, ride along, and more. And so you have a myriad of videos here. So let's check out reading comprehension. All right. So we're going to scroll down, citing text evidence. Here's a video right here for that. I'm just going to show you a little bit of that.
That to prove that your evidence came from the text. A common mistake is giving evidence without telling where you found it. You might say,
so there's an example of what students would see in the ride along video. But of course, we want to hold them accountable. We don't want them just to watch this and not have any evidence that they really have processed what took place in the video. So we want to hold them accountable. So we're going to go back to the slide deck, which will be shared with you. If you go back to KickUp, you can access this deck along with the links. So just click on this link right here. And this is aligned with the writing revolution. This is the single paragraph outline. So after the students finish watching the video, they would complete this ride along summary. Okay, so you have, although I already knew that, you will give them that prompt and they will fill that in. I learned some new facts from the video title. You will give them that prompt and they will complete that. So for students who have difficulty with writing, want to give them those prompts to just jog their memory on how to process what they're watching on the videos, but also to really transcribe and really chronicle their thinking. So this will provide them that evidence that they need or you need to see that they're actually thinking through whatever video that they're watching. So also, we talked about the writing revolution. So you can sign up for a free account. If you're a teacher, you should already have access to this. If you're a para, please work alongside your special education teacher to gain access to this. And once you're inside the writing revolution, you're going to log in. Once you're signed up, you're going to log in. You have access to customizable templates right here. Also, you have content examples. Let's click on this real quick to see some of the examples from the content. Okay. You have the Louisiana guidebooks. There it is right there. A lot of what you need is already here. And also it's scaffolded. So your students have various different reading levels or write levels. So we can address that and scaffold it. And the work is already done for us. So all we need to do is just go here. If you have not been trained in the Writing Revolution or TWR, please go to KickUp and see some of the previous trainings that are available from the ELA department. That you can go and get the training that you need so that you can use these effectively. So in a nutshell, that's the ride along videos. We also have the slide deck and also Learn Zillion and the Writing Revolution.